Hello, my name is Gio of Friends or Family TV, and I'm going to take you for a boardwalk tour of Seaside Heights. So, one of the main things that you encounter when you go to the boardwalk is you have this huge visitor center that you can kind of stop there, get maps, and they also have schedules of whatever events they may have that day at Seaside Heights. The screen that you're seeing right now, it says Casino Pier, and that's the beginning of the amusement park. Seaside Heights basically has an amusement park and a beach all incorporated into one unit. Here you see the lines for getting onto the beach. These people are waiting to pay for their beach passes. Usually beach passes are like $7 to $8, and half of that for adolescents and free for small children. So here we're taking a look at the boardwalk. And a lot of families come here on the weekends. It just really gets filled with people, but the beach is so big enough that it's able to hold everyone with ample space for everyone. As you probably saw in a prior video, we highlighted Spicy Cantina. In Spicy Cantina, it's a Mexican restaurant with great drinks and food that's also located here on the boardwalk at Seaside Heights. So to your left are all the shops and all the restaurants, and then towards your right is the beach. And this whole line of people is paying for their passes to get onto the beach. By the way, should you forget your suntan lotion or anything like that you need, they have plenty of stores here at the boardwalk for you to go into and get whatever you may need. They also have special stores just for video games, and they even have an antique video game arcade. Among some of the things that you'll be seeing here in this boardwalk is we're going to be bypassing some stores, and you'll get to see inside the stores and see the specialty items. So anyone that needs beach wear or lounge wear or whatever you may need, they actually have stores here. In this scene you see now we're more towards the game section of the park, and here we can actually go right into their amusement park from here. That huge clown that you saw there was iconic face for Seaside Heights at one point. Here we're going in with this family into this restaurant, and you may think it's just a little restaurant, but actually inside this restaurant is hitting a little gem of Seaside Heights, and it is this iconic amusement park ride that's actually kept indoors because it's quite old. It's actually a carousel from the early 1900s, as you can see in your screen. It's a beautiful carousel. It's all handmade, and unfortunately they're in the process of taking this carousel apart because they're going to be moving it to a larger indoor venue at Seaside Heights Beach. Here you're looking at also some other games. A lot of young people hang around here to play the video games and all the arcade games. There are also a whole host of new restaurants that are opening up, and the park rides are really incredible now. Every year they kind of upgrade and really maintain them well. I'll just let you take a look at these. These are some more games and families participating in them. And really the prices are inexpensive. Anything that you can imagine exists here at Seaside Heights in terms of things to drink, ice cream, you name it, they have it here. This is one of the entrances into the park, and as you can see the flying chairs from here, and people are headed into the amusement park. So you really have the beach, you have the stores, and you have the amusement park all rolled into one. These are like very high end fashion store right here that you're looking at on your screen. And I always have to drag my wife out of there. It's a little on the expensive side. But all manners of boardwalk games are found here, and also pizza, sandwiches, whatever you can imagine. Here in the far distance you see the amusement park. So we're kind of walking all over the boardwalk, and it's a very broad boardwalk. A few years back we had a hurricane, and it really took this boardwalk apart, but the town of Seaside Heights rebuilt its boardwalk, and the tourist industry is thriving once again at Seaside Heights. Here you see, this is Spicy Cantinas right there, and there is a special video that we made just on that to highlight them. They really are an incredible place to visit when you come to Seaside Heights. For dining, for drinks, and that's Marilyn there on the screen. I think she went to get some ice cream. And here we see more families just going up. This is another one. This is Jimbo Bar and Grill, and this is a little bit like the Spicy Cantina. Drinks are about the same price. It's just that we're used to going to the other side because they have excellent food. But this one is really good too. And next to that, of course, is arcade games as well. One of the things that we recommend really is for people to arrive at Seaside Heights early, as parking is at a premium and everyone wants to be there. This is the it place to be during the summer. It's one of the it beaches. This and a couple more that we'll be highlighting in the coming weeks. And as you can see, we're just kind of peering into the store so that you can see the wide array of products that you can buy during your stay there. Even if you forgot something at home, it's fine because they have everything here actually. There's nothing that you need to lack of, so just come on down to this place. It's so much fun. And really, look at all those adults. These are adults playing all the games, mind you. This is not adolescents. I think this place does bring the child and adolescent down in everyone. Another plus for this place. And there's Marilyn there, and we're kind of finishing our video. If you enjoyed this video, this is a walkthrough of the boardwalk at Seaside Heights. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. And you can also hit the bell for notification of future videos. We thank you very much for watching this video and hope you enjoy the rest of your summer.